Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to V tutorials. In today's video, we're going to look at how to find support and resistance like a pro. In this video, I will explain what support and resistance actually means. So you will actually learn how to identify a buy and also a sell zone in any cryptocurrency coin. Okay, so before I move in deeply, I would like to show us what exactly is this support. Okay, now let's look at what exactly is this support. We're going to pick one particular cryptocurrency coin like right now. Maybe we should pick maybe we should use camp. Okay, so a support is actually a price area where buyers usually step in. Okay, where buyers usually step in. Like what's actually forming up here right now is actually a support area. Okay, but it's not yet met yet. And a support area is what I explained in my previous video when I was explaining RSI. You understand? When I say this first RSI with yellow, when it's below 30, okay, and also when the MACD indicators, which is the blue line, started crossing to the other side. Now you can see it's actually crossing here, but not fully. All right, you can see that it's actually about to cross here, but not fully. You can see what's happening here, what's happening deep down here. It's about to cross, but not completely. All right, you can see here it has not really defined its directions. All right, so support area is actually where buyers have started stepping in. Okay, so that is where buyers usually step in. Pay attention, be very attentive so that you can actually understand the whole stuff. All right, okay, so with this now we'll look at what is exactly the resistance. Resistance is actually an area where buyers are always stepping in. You can see, you see the difference. The support is where buyers are stepping in, and also the resistance is where buyers are going out. Okay, it's where buyers are going out. So look at this carefully, and you understand what I explained in my previous RSI videos. I say when RSI is actually 70 and above, it means the sellers are already started stepping in. So watch carefully and make sure you sell out. If not, the market will also drag you down again. Okay, and if the market drags you down again, you actually need to wait for another opportunity. So how actually can you draw this resistance and support? Okay, you need to use a high time frame if you actually want to understand how this one works. You can use the high frame of 4 hours or even possible 1 day. Then you can draw the resistance. Okay, so that each time it got there, you will understand that yes, it is time to cash out. You can draw a resistance using a high time frame. You also focus on the zones. All right, focus on the zones rather than the exact price. You focus on the zone rather than the exact price. One, you must confirm trade. Okay, you must combine support and also resistance. You must combine the support and also resistance before doing what? Before making a trade. Check out the trade volume as well, which is top here. It's always show the trade volume. Check out the trade volume as well, and also check out the RSI. You must be a friend of the RSI. It's very vital. Very, very important. You must look at all of this. So if you're actually getting this video, do well to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my videos, and as well indicate at the comment sections that you are actually understanding this. Okay, you must also check the candles patterns, how the arrangement. You can see the candles patterns for the past within the time frame. You must also check them as well. All right, you must always check this trending direction as well. Okay, so one of the mistakes a lot of people usually make with this is that they draw too many levels. Okay, and also they trade every touch. You might end up losing when you trade every touch. You see this, let me trade this, and you easily miss the trade, and also lost your capital. Okay, and also don't ignore the market trend, because a lot of people do that, and that is why they have problems. And also don't enter the trade before confirmations. Okay, do not be deceived by, okay, is this or that. No, you need to confirm the trade before you dive into the trade or before you start trading. All right, so in a nutshell, you have actually learned what support and resistance actually are, and also you must also understand how they works. Okay, so do what to subscribe, like my videos, and also share my video. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comment sections, and I'll attend to you ASAP. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye. So this actually brings me to the end of this particular video. If you do have any question, do to drop it in the comment sections, and I will attend to you ASAP. And it is in my hope that you have learned the support and resistance, and also what actually the support means, and also what actually the resistance means when it has to do with crypto trading. All right, and I do hope that a lot of you people go through my previous class where I dropped a class about RSI and also the MACD indicators. I'm going to drop that link also at the descriptive sections of this particular video, so that you can go through them and also be able to understand. So if you learn something, do well to let me know at the comment sections. And if you have any question, or you have there's any class you want me to talk about, or any tutorials you want me to make, I'll be at your service. Just let me know at the descriptive section of this very video, and I will attend to it ASAP. So do it, subscribe, like, and also share. All right, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next class. Bye.